As AI becomes more integrated into mechanical engineering, there will be a need for new skills. Engineers will need to understand AI and machine learning, and they'll need to be comfortable with data analysis and programming. And then there are the ethical considerations. What happens when an AI system makes a mistake? Who is responsible? These are questions that we'll need to answer as we move forward. The possibilities are endless, but so are the challenges. The key question then becomes, are we ready for this future? In the span of a few minutes, we've journeyed from the present to the future of AI in mechanical engineering. We've seen the current applications of AI in this field, from enhancing design processes, improving production efficiency, to predictive maintenance. These applications are not just transforming the mechanical engineering landscape, but also setting the stage for more advanced uses of AI in the future. Looking ahead, we can anticipate AI's potential to further revolutionize mechanical engineering. With machine learning algorithms, we could create intelligent machines capable of self-diagnosis and repair. AI could also lead to the development of more energy-efficient systems, reducing our carbon footprint and paving the way for a greener future. But, as with any technological revolution, the integration of AI in mechanical engineering comes with its own set of challenges. There's the need for constant upskilling to keep pace with rapidly evolving technologies. And then there's the ethical considerations around AI use, which will require careful navigation. In the face of these challenges, it's vital for mechanical engineers to adapt, continuously learning and evolving alongside the technology they work with. This will not only help them stay relevant in their field, but also enable them to leverage AI to its fullest potential. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution in mechanical engineering, one thing is certain: the future holds exciting possibilities, and it's up to us to harness them.